Hi everyone, this is Curious Nisha. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have some massive updates on two highly anticipated C-dramas that have been taking over our timelines. We are talking about the frustrating delays behind Shukai and Sui's historical drama, Spring of the Blade, and some incredibly exciting news for fans of Kwon Xiaotong and Lee Yunrui's The Sling. If you want to stay up to date with all things C-drama, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's jump right into it. The drama behind Spring of the Blade. First up, let's talk about iQIYI's costume drama, Spring of the Blade, starring the visual powerhouses Shu Kai and Su Yi. Fans have been on an absolute roller coaster with this one. Rumors originally hinted at a March release, then it got pushed to April, and fans were starting to lose patience. Some were even wondering if the production team had low confidence in the project. Well, the latest word on the street is that it is now tentatively scheduled to premiere in September, but why the massive delay and the lack of an official announcement? It turns out that there is some major behind-the-scenes legal stuff happening. Both Shu Kai and Soyi originally signed contracts to be the top billed lead. However, under strict new industry regulations, equal billing fights are being heavily cracked down on. To solve this deadlock, the billing order must now be strictly determined by the number of strokes in the actors' Chinese surnames. On top of that, the drama team is actively working behind the scenes to secure a highly coveted CCTV 8 broadcasting slot, which takes extra time. Hopefully, the September window holds true. Dazzling gets a cast variety show. Next up, let's switch over to Mingo TV's youth drama, Dazzling, starring Won Xiaotong and Lee Yunrui. This sweet romance officially premiered back on May 27, and fans absolutely love their on-screen chemistry. Usually, once a drama wraps up its airing cycle, the promotion ends and the leads move on. But Dazzling fans are getting a massive treat. Back in June, the producer confirmed that an exclusive cast variety show was officially in the works. Well, fast forward to right now, and the cameras are officially rolling. Won Xiaotong and Lee Yunrui were just spotted recording on location for the show, serving up incredible real-life chemistry and looking absolutely stunning. Fans are thrilled to see that the hype for this drama is not over just yet, giving us plenty of behind-the-scenes chaos and fun to look forward to. So, what are your thoughts? Are you willing to wait until September for Shu Kai and Soye's Spring of the Blade? Or are you more excited to see Guan Xiaotong and Lee Yunrui reunite for their new variety show? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Take care!